Hey, it's Jill with Plant Life Journey Retreats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really refreshing and healthy anytime meal, and it's called the smoothie salad. It sounds crazy and it doesn't really look great in the pictures, but I am hoping by showing the video that you will be inspired to make this and feel so good. Okay, we're going to get started making our smoothie salad. So you're going to need a bunch of greens, a banana, a ripe banana like this that has got some of the yummy. I like to peel bananas from the bottom. That's the way the monkeys do it. And then when you take off the peel, there's just less of those little stringy things involved. I think what I'm going to do is put the lettuce in first. Just whatever kind of spring mix, or I say 3 big handfuls in our recipe on the website, plantlifejourney.com. We have the recipe for this smoothie salad. Okay, so I'm putting in, I did about like half of this whole container, but we want to get our greens in, right? This is our medicine. We're going to start thinking about food more as medicine. And then chunk your banana pieces. I rinsed off my handfuls of some of these berries already. Here's some blackberries, handful of blackberries, handful of blueberries, and then I didn't get raspberries at the store. I bought strawberries, so I'm gonna have to just take off the tops. Maybe I'll just do that with my finger. I have at Michigan, I have one of those little cute tools that just take that little top off. It's got little prongs on it. These were organic strawberries. This recipe comes together pretty quick. And then the grapes, I didn't take these off of the little vine, but we're gonna take a handful of those. This is so crazy, right? I mean, you could do other different fruits in here. But you know what? The lettuce, how you try to get lettuce in every day, or you try to eat a salad. I mean, I'm definitely have it on my to-do list to eat salads more every day. Get my greens in. Kathy too. Food is medicine. And I'm gonna peel some of this, about half of this cucumber. So anyway. Some of the lettuce is just so big, and you just don't want it to be, it's like kind of hard to chew, kind of like annoying to me. So I came up with this idea to just pulse that. I love to use my food processor. I just love it. It's the best thing ever. Okay, I'm going to use about half of this cucumber here. Cucumber is so healthy and refreshing, and in a lot of countries they eat cucumber for breakfast. So it's just it's really good for your skin. Like, we're thinking beauty here, ladies. Cucumber every day. Okay, so that might have been a little bit chunkier than that. You might want to cut it a little bit smaller, but I'm going to get some lime juice, and I know if I cut the lime a little bit differently, I could get more juice out of it. I've reposted that one lady who does it that way and gets more lime juice out of it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and throw I think I should have done this after. Oh well, I'm doing it now. It's all going in here at once, making it super, super simple. But I think the recipe in our website says to like pulse down the greens first, and then put it in a separate bowl, and then do the fruit. Okay, I'm just doing it super easy. This pulse button is so important. It just makes it really a nice tight action here. We're gonna just keep pulsing it down until we have kind of like very small chopped, kind of like it's halfway between. Oh my gosh, it doesn't look great, right? It doesn't look beautiful, but it is delicious. It's so refreshing. I mean, you can use different veggies. It's that lime juice that really helps. So I hope that you're inspired to make it. It's super easy, and I made a lot. I'm excited to eat it. It's got so much nutrition in it. Food is medicine. This is the medicine. And it's easier to eat than like those big leaves and everything chopped kind of small. So it's not like you're drinking it, you're still chewing. I think that's the part I like. That is kind of in between a smoothie. If I kept going, it would be more like a smoothie. Anyway, I hope that you're inspired to try it. It's going to make you feel so, so good.